Dear reader, the flood is coming. We can smell it in the air, taste it in the wind, and feel it in the trembling of the river banks. We know what comes next. The water will rise, and it will take everything. When it comes, we will end up where we always do, in the camp, a place where space is never enough, where toilets overflow, and where clean water is a luxury. We will lose our privacy and dignity. Disease will spread. Cholera, malaria, diarrhea. Hunger will bite harder, and there will never be enough food to go around. Children will stop learning. Work will disappear. Days will be filled with waiting. Our minds will grow tired. Fear will live with us. For women, that fear will be doubled. Families will be scattered. Dependency will replace independence. And then there is this pain. Period poverty will return. No pads, no soap, no safe space. Girls will hide. Pregnant women will suffer through unsafe births without proper care. The flood is coming, and it will not just take our houses. It will take safety, health, dignity, and tomorrow itself. And all we will have left is the camp that has never been home, but always waits for us. Bitterly, someone who has seen it all before.